So today's video, we're going to look in this mystery box of bits that was given to us by an old boy neighbour. So there's some good bits here, and there's another box as well.
Yeah, but it's less mysterious because there's no lid.
So we've got a light.
I mean, it looked like a number plate light, but it's a bit pointing out.
Could we wire that up and make that into a light, like a nice little light?
Yeah, we have 12 volts.
British Leyland. Hubcaps?
Hubcaps. Plastic. Are they plastic?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, that's a number plate light.
That one's a number plate
That's
light.
a number plate light. Okay. More hubcaps.
Or unrelated hubcaps. I'm still holding these. You know what they make?
Oh, there's a number.
Shot glasses.
Little lights.
Yeah, like a side light.
Oh, we got one of those little.
Like a running light.
Yeah.
Like birds.
Like Bertie's got.
I would say.
You will look at that.
Oh, it's washable.
It's a washable.
Yeah, it's got the two little.
You got a brand new bracket.
Feel like.
That's known as a light box now.
Yes, that's a box.
Hubcaps. But this is what I'm interested in. So this is a carburettor. Bertie's carburettor possibly needs some work doing to it. So I might take this one apart and learn how carbs work, and then take Bertie's apart. It says FOMO Co. Fear of missing out.
Ford Motor Company.
Oh. 89.
Or 68.
Or 68. Oh, here it says 63 1H20CW.
So it's a Ford carburettor off something.
We'll
Because
Google
it
it.
is.
I think we should take that in. I'm going to take that inside and have that on my desk.
Okay,
So I can
that
Google it.
is dirty.
What is this?
I can't help you with that one.
Action, like
What do you think this is? Comment below.
mystery item. This says spark plugs. Oh,
Unipart spark plug with force. Yep, it's a spark plug. But it's not a Unipart spark plug, it's an NGK spark plug. So what's the number on it? Because I know some might be able to actually use that.
yeah.
Hopefully they're all the same. One can assume.
Oh,
Tow bar.
tow bar ball. Do you want to hold the ball?
I will hold this ball.
I think this goes with this tow bar item.
Yes, possible because it's painted green that it goes with the other thing.
Oh, that thing.
But,
This is really heavy.
yeah.
This is like a solid, like 10 kilos or something. I don't know. I don't know my kilos. Ooh, mystery bracket.
Maybe a door hinge, something like that.
Possibly. What's this? Is this a manifold? Like
No,
a
it's an inlet manifold.
inlet one. Ugh.
Oh, that's the
Gasket down. We got PT1,
Okay, look for words.
PT2. Have you seen words? Oh, there we go. Oh, FOMO again.
FOMO code.
FOMO Co.
So, it's an inlet manifold for a Ford, but not for this.
Yeah.
So, different Ford. I'm sure Alfie said he thought it was a Mini, but give him the benefit of the doubt.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Be worth something to somebody, maybe. Maybe not in money terms, but in use.
We could make it into a light.
You could fill it with these lights.
Fill it with lights. I don't know what we're going to do with it. But it's pretty cool.
Do you need lights? Comment below. Yeah, so lots of interesting things that may or may not go together.
What we're going to do is I'm going to take apart the carburettor. Don't know what we'll do with the tow bar. Inlet manifold's pretty cool. The lights, I want to turn into like a little like lamp, bedside lamp or something. You being the electrician, possibly not. Hubcaps. I don't know what we can do with hubcaps. You know, you get those little triangles that you put your project on to paint it. So you could use it as that, like little stands to put you don't know the triangles.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
I thought triangles for when you break down on the motorway.
Oh no, they're like little triangles like this big, and then you put your thing on to paint.
I am bewildered.
So yeah, that's everything in our mystery box. I think that was pretty cool. Subscribe to see the dismantling of this and the fixing of that, and to watch me drive, race, and fix my classic cars. Or just take them apart, at least.
Yeah.
Whichever.
Yeah.
Hope you like this one. Bye!